YouTube, what's going on today? Today, I'm out in the garden. I believe it's going to rain today, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to water regardless. And I'm about to pick some peppers. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, I'm going to pick peppers today. Looked around and a few of them are done. They're ready to go. Alright, got my jalapenos, which I'm not going to touch. Not without gloves. Well, maybe I'll touch the stem. Look at that beauty. That is a beautiful pepper. I'm going to dice it and freeze it. Use it for omelets, fish. The other pepper is like a, I guess you can call it a bird's eye pepper. I was at a big box store and I saw a pepper that I couldn't find seeds for. So I went against the norm and actually purchased the plant. It looks pretty good. Super chili, red pepper. Looks like little baby lipsticks. Not sure how hot these are, but I picked a few before. They started off green, of course, and they turned to red. I seriously doubt that these peppers get any size on them. Also, what I'm doing with these is I'm collecting them, freezing them. But I think this batch I'm going to dice, take the seeds out, see if I can grow this next year for myself, so I don't have to purchase these peppers. But I have some here, and I have some on the side of the yard. Basil's looking pretty good. Might as well grab a few of those leaves before something happens to them. Love that scent. I'm going to dice these up also and freeze them. Use them for any kind of pastas. Let's check on the peppers over here. I see an orange one. I didn't see this one the other day. Or was that red? Not sure. But it was green, it's orange, so guess what? I'm plucking it. And I figure out, ooh, nice scent. Wow, that smells good. The thing with my peppers is the labels fell off, which is not good. So I have no idea what type of peppers these are, but I'm going to pull this one right here. I see a blemish on it, so let's pull it. Of course, what I do with all my peppers, I like to dice them up, season my food with it, throw them in the freezers if I'm not using them right away, collect the seeds, use them for the following year. Oh, this purple beauty looks beautiful. Look at this. Wow, it looks nice. Purple beauty. It's a bell pepper. Looks very interesting. It's purple on the outside and green in the inside. All right, let's see what else I got going on over here. Dwarf Thai peppers. Probably extremely hot. Yeah, got a little blemish, not sure what happened to it. These are looking beautiful. So are these. looks good. You know, this is almost, not sure if this is a white bell pepper. I'm about to look it up, because like I said, a lot of my labels came off because these started off in cups, well, actually trays in the house. Wow, I started these back in February. And then from the trays, I moved them to solo cups, different cups like this. Then I planted them in the ground. They were pretty much about that big. Now look at them. Even the ones that are on the side of the house over here were huge. Well, little, sorry. Also, I'm going to move some peppers that are out of the black containers over here, and I'm going to see if I have room in a pot, or maybe even space in one of the planter boxes. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Wow, look at this one right here. I believe this is the lemon. Yeah, we're going to take this one. Getting a little bit of blossom end rot at the bottom, but this is the lemon pepper. Lemon, not sure if it's lemon drop, but looks good. Got a few beans that are ready. Wasn't expecting to get one, but these are the yard-long beans. They're actually pretty good. Butter, garlic, salt, saute them. Nice taste. Jalapeno. This actually my second year. I spoke about it in other videos. This is my second year jalapeno. You could tell by the woodiness at the bottom. This was a growth from last year, and what I did is I cut it down to a V, took it in the house, and brought it back out here once the weather got better. So these peppers are looking actually good. This is probably the size they're going to get. I did find a jumbo jalapeno. So you know what? Let's collect some jalapenos. I didn't bring a container really. So we're going to use this. If I'm not mistaken, these do turn red. Got an onion. Bell pepper over here, looking pretty good. Gonna let that grow a little bit more. More of the lemon pepper. I cannot think of the name of the pepper, but I know it's lemon. I don't think it's yellow, but it's lemon something. Some of these are ready. Nice. Now I have one huge one over here that's not done, I don't believe. Look at that. I think that's a Toro. Toro is a stuffed pepper or a frying pepper, I believe. But it looks good. I see some tomatoes that are almost ready. Yeah, I have to get these before the squirrels see them. Then it'll be game over. More purple beauties right here. Got a nice little yellow pepper here. I believe this is the size. This thing has been about this size forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it. I believe that is it. These are turned red after a few days in the house. Either on the counter or in the paper bag, they turn red. Another second-year jalapeno plant. It's a little different. See how long these are? Might as well get them. I have basil over here too that's actually going to seed. I don't mind that. Don't mind at all. I have another jalapeno. This is the one I was talking about earlier. This is the jumbo jalapeno, and I actually purchased this because I couldn't find seeds for it. So this is called the Mammoth jalapeno. So what I'm going to do with this one is, when they get a little bigger, I'm going to grab the seeds out of them so I can have something next year growing myself, so I don't have to purchase. I believe that's all the peppers I have for today. It's quite a bit. Rattlesnake beans. No, I don't have any ready. Okay, that's it for the peppers today. Nice little haul. Time to get watering. I'm not going to bore you with that part.